Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into a topic close to my heart, caring for our beloved seniors. Caring for aging parents, grandparents, or loved ones can be both rewarding and challenging. We're covering the fundamental aspects of elderly care that everyone should know. Let's make a positive impact together. Let's kick things off with personal hygiene, crucial for both physical health and emotional well-being. As we age, our skin becomes thinner and more delicate, making us prone to cuts, dryness, and infections. Use pH-balanced, fragrance-free cleansers specifically designed for sensitive skin. Beyond washing, pay attention to areas like the mouth, hair, and nails. Dry mouth is common for seniors, so ensure hydration and consider a moisturizing mouthwash. Keeping nails trimmed and clean prevents infections, and regular hair care boosts self-esteem. Getting dressed can be a challenge for seniors. Our goal is to make this process smooth and dignified. Choose clothing that's comfortable and easy to put on and take off, like loose-fitting garments and elastic waistbands. Involve your loved one in the process and encourage them to choose outfits they feel good in. Lay out clothes in the order they'll be put on and offer gentle guidance. A little positive reinforcement goes a long way. A balanced diet is crucial for good health, especially as we age. Encourage a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods support everything from strong bones to a healthy heart and sharp mind. Make mealtimes enjoyable by trying new recipes and creating a pleasant dining atmosphere. Don't forget about hydration. It's just as important as nutrition. Managing medications is crucial for our seniors' health. Keep a detailed list of all medications, including dosages and frequencies. Use a pill organizer to sort medications by day and time. Set reminders on their phone or use a medication reminder app if needed. Staying active is essential for both body and mind, especially as we age. Gentle activities like walking, chair yoga, or water aerobics can make a world of difference. Find something they enjoy and can do safely and comfortably. Talk to their doctor or a physical therapist about creating a tailored exercise plan. Start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration over time. Keeping our minds sharp is just as important as physical health. Encourage activities that challenge their brains and bring joy, like reading or puzzles. Social interaction is a powerful mood booster and vital for overall well-being. Encourage staying connected with friends and family or joining social groups. Emotional support is an often overlooked aspect of elderly care. Make time for meaningful conversations and actively listen without judgment. Let them know they're loved, valued, and not alone in their journey. Encourage them to express their emotions openly and seek professional help if needed. Creating a safe and comfortable living environment is crucial. Remove tripping hazards like throw rugs and clutter. Ensure adequate lighting and consider installing grab bars in the bathroom and near stairs. Secure loose cords, use non-slip mats, and keep frequently used items within easy reach. Regular health monitoring is essential for managing health conditions effectively. Ensure your loved one is up to date on doctor's appointments and screenings. Keep an eye on vital signs and report any significant changes to their healthcare provider. Familiarize yourself with common warning signs of health issues in seniors. That's it for today's video on mastering elderly care essentials. Caring for our seniors requires patience, empathy, and a lot of love. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Let's work together to create a world where our seniors feel loved and supported.